Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can give someone access to your Shopify store. Now you can let them do a specific thing on your Shopify store, like managing orders or editing or designing your Shopify store. You can let them do a specific thing inside your Shopify. I'm going to be showing you how you can do this right now. So first thing you need to do, guys, you just need to log in into your Shopify store. Now what you guys need to do next is you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. Now after that you want to click on users. Okay, so after you click, guys, on users, you can see here add users here in the top right, and here you will need to add the email address of the person that's going to manage your account. Okay, so I'm going to add this email address, and what you guys need to do here where it says rules to grant access to grant user actions, so you just need to click this plus button here, and you can just let them do exactly what you want. For example, they can create and edit and launch campaigns. You can just select the last option, or you can create a new role. Okay, or you can let them fulfill orders, edit order line items, process payments and returns, or can edit and publish themes. Okay, so I'm going to go with this one. Okay, so after that you can also uncheck anything you don't want here. For example, orders, this is exactly what they are going to do. They will be able to view orders, manage order information, set payment terms. Okay, so this is exactly what they can do. Okay, so it says here this is not okay, so let me show you guys exactly what they can do. Okay, so the customers, they will be able to view, but they will not be able to see product, to view product, view cost of the product. They cannot do that, but they can view and create and edit, delete. They can see menus. They will not be able to view meta object, okay, definitions, because you didn't do that in the top. So you can just let them do whatever. If you want to change this, you can just select has full access to settings. If you want them to have full access to settings, as you can see, you will be able to see all your Shopify store. Okay, so the last one here is two-step authentication. You can just remove it. Okay, this user can choose to use two-step, but if you want always to receive the notification whenever the user is trying to log in into your account to access your Shopify store, you can just select the first one, which is two-step authentication is required. Okay, so after that you then click save. That's exactly how you can do this. Okay, so hopefully this one, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next tutorial. Drop a like and see you guys next video.